How to withdraw money from Cash App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can withdraw money from Cash App. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to take is open up your Cash App. After you open up your Cash App, you will need to keep in mind that you can only withdraw money from your cash balance. So if you want to withdraw money from your savings, or from your Bitcoins or anything, you'll first need to transfer it out if it's savings, and if it's Bitcoin, stocks, or any other, you'll have to sell it. And after that, after the money comes to your cash balance, you can then move on with the selling. So simply tap on withdraw after the money is on your cash balance. Now you can use the slider to select any amount or simply tap on the numbers there, and then you can simply type in numbers. So for this, let's just say $5, and after you type in the amount that you want to withdraw, tap on withdraw. After you do that, you'll then select the transfer rate. So if it's standard, it won't cost any extra fees, but if it's instant, it will take $0.25 fee. So you can choose either one. Normally you can just choose the standard one if you're not in any rush. Then your $5 or any amount that you choose will be transferred to your linked bank account. And yeah, that's how you do it, and that's how you withdraw money from your Cash App. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and don't